Chapter 2. Values. Values are basic convictions that a specific mode of conduct or an end state of existence is personally and socially preferable to an opposite or converse mode of conduct or end state of existence. Values contain a judgmental element in that they carry an individual's ideas as to what is right, good, or desirable. Values have content and intensity attributes. The content attribute says what mode of conduct or end state of existence is important. The intensity attribute says how important it is. When we rank an individual's values in terms of their intensity, we obtain the person's value system. The value system is identified by the relative importance we assign to values such as freedom, pleasure, self-respect, honesty, obedience, and equality. Importance of values. Values are the basis of an individual's conviction of what ought to be and what ought not to be. Therefore, values influence attitude, motivation, and perception. ROCAC Value Survey. Milton ROCAC created the ROCAC Value Survey. It has two sets of values: terminal values and instrumental values. Terminal values. This relates to an end state of existence, such as a comfortable life, a world at peace, happiness, self-respect, and wisdom. Instrumental values. This refers to the preferred mode of conduct, the means of achieving the desired end state. Example, being ambitious, broad-minded, capable, cheerful, and honest. Hofstede's framework of assessing cultures. Gert Hofstede surveyed more than 116,000 IBM employees in 40 countries about their work-related values. He found that employees vary in 5 value dimensions of national culture: power distance, individualism versus collectivism, quantity of life versus quality of life, uncertainty avoidance, and long-term versus short-term orientation. Power distance. Power distance is the degree to which people in a country accept that power in institutions and organizations is distributed unequally. Individualism versus collectivism. It is the degree to which people like to act as individuals rather than as part of a group. Quantity of life versus quality of life. Quantity of life is the degree to which values such as assertiveness, acquisition of money, and material goods prevail. Quality of life is the degree to which people value relationships, show sensitivity, and concern for the welfare of others. Uncertainty avoidance. It is the degree to which people in a country prefer structured over unstructured situations. Long-term versus short-term orientation. The long-term orientation is the degree to which people look to the future and value thrift and persistence. A short-term orientation values the past and the present. GLOBE, or the Global Leadership and Organizational Behavior Effectiveness Research Program, researched 825 organizations in 62 countries. The GLOBE team identified 9 dimensions on which national cultures differ: assertiveness, future orientation, gender differentiation, uncertainty avoidance, power distance, individualism versus collectivism, in-group collectivism, performance orientation, and human orientation.